Welcome, esteemed viewers, to the realm where we delve into the world of electric cars as portrayed through intricate charts. As promised, we embark on a journey this week to examine the remarkable surges of electric vehicle stocks in the past week, aiming to foresee the trajectory of their stock prices. Additionally, I shall graciously share my insights on opportune moments for buying and selling. Faraday Future witnessed an impressive surge last Friday, with its stock soaring by a remarkable 7.9%. Faraday Future is a California-based company that aims to disrupt the automotive industry by designing and engineering smart electric connected vehicles. After continuing its deficit march through Q4 2022, the first time in Q1 2023 that the profit before tax and net profit were plus. As you can see on the chart, EPS is still continuing to grow and is showing ups and downs on a quarterly basis, but it recently showed an unexpected result of 30% in the first quarter of 2023. Although the vehicle has not been shipped a lot and is not leading to revenue, it expects sales to lead from the second quarter of 2023, generating revenue of 35 million in the fourth quarter of 2024. Technical analyses such as oscillator and moving average show that FFIE points to buy on a daily basis, while weekly and monthly pay points to selling. So long-term retention is dangerous. First of all, if you look at the weekly chart, FFIE is trying to enter again after leaving the box range of $0.2488 to $0.4499. Strong buying flowed in June this year and seemed to break through the box high, but some buying has flowed in this week after falling under pressure from selling again and forming reverse hammer-type candles outside the box. Based on the Ichimoku chart, the leading indicator is forming a red cloud, and the baseline is positioned above the conversion line, further indicating that significant upward movement in the near term may be challenging. Looking at the first daily chart, SSL hybrid has changed from red to green, showing a buying signal for now, but the 60 MA is still on the downward trend, so it is expected to act as a strong resistance for the time being. Another daily chart shows that there have been several support and resistance at $0.2819, and if you break through this area strongly in the future, you might want to consider going into it in a short period of time. Let's look at another daily chart. After the 150 WMA and 200 SMMA turned downward, they tried to break through 4 times and once, respectively, but they have been repeatedly falling due to the sell pressure. Finally, let's look at the volume index. As you can see, most investors are buying FFIE shares at a price of $0.2635 and then trying to break through again this week, after backing off twice, and after a big rally, they are trying to break through again after breaking the average selling price. For now, it seems unlikely that the stock price can rise sharply to reach to $1 because there is a huge amount of selling to the top of the box. However, it is worth investing in because it has made a lot of profits after breaking the box several times. But this penny stock is a stock that you never know will go bankrupt, so you can get in and you'll be in trouble, so I recommend you to invest after you study enough. As I mentioned in many videos, I would like to say that our channel is just my personal opinion and not actively recommend buying. I made a video because I thought it would help shareholders who are stuck in this stock. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. Your support gives a lot of strength to the video production. Thanks for watching.